Imagine the zest of fresh lemons, the tender bite of artichoke, and succulent chicken all coming together in one pan, creating a symphony of flavors that's both hearty and refreshing. That's the magic of the lemon and artichoke sheet pan chicken. This mouth-watering dish serves 4 to 6, so it's perfect for a family dinner or a small gathering. Start by preheating the oven to a toasty 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure the chicken cooks evenly and takes on a beautiful golden color. Next, take 6 juicy, boneless chicken thighs or breasts. The choice is yours. Whichever you prefer, it's the star of the dish. Spread half a cup of olive oil onto a sheet pan. Add the chicken, ensuring each piece has its own space. This allows for even cooking and that delightful crisping on the edges. Now scatter half a medium onion, sliced, over the chicken. The onion will caramelize as it cooks, adding a sweet depth to the dish. Season everything with a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Then pour the juice of 2 lemons over the chicken. The citrus will cut through the richness of the meat, giving our dish a light, tangy undertone. Once everything is prepared, place the pan in the oven to bake for 15 minutes. After the first 15 minutes, remove the pan from the oven. Now, it's time to add 2 14-ounce cans of artichoke quarters. The artichokes will soak up the flavors of the chicken and lemon, becoming tender and delicious. Continue baking for another 15 minutes. Always remember, the key to a perfectly cooked chicken is to check the internal temperature. When it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to take the pan out of the oven. Garnish the dish with half a cup of chopped parsley. Not only does this add a pop of color, but it also imparts a fresh, herbaceous note that complements the other flavors beautifully. To serve, plate the chicken and vegetables, making sure to drizzle some of the delicious cooking juices from the pan over the top. This ties everything together, creating a dish that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. So, there you have it. The lemon and artichoke sheet pan chicken. A dish that's simple to prepare, packed with flavor, and sure to impress. Whether you're feeding a family or entertaining guests, this is a recipe you'll come back to time and time again. Enjoy the process and, of course, the delicious outcome.